Greetings and salutations. I'm Christopher Platt, reporting for Your Black World News with an article from the Atlanta Black Star. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and visit theblackbusinessschool.com to learn about financial literacy and how you can grow your business today. A Baton Rouge police officer injured during protest over Alton Sterling's 2016 shooting death can sue the protest organizer on the grounds that he acted negligently, a federal appeals court ruled. The April 24th decision by the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals in New Orleans reverses a federal judge's previous ruling to dismiss the lawsuit, according to the Times-Picayune. The officer, identified only as John Doe in court records, filed a lawsuit arguing that Black Lives Matter activist Deray McKesson was negligent in organizing and leading demonstrators to block a public highway. In his suit, the officer claims he was hit in the face by a piece of concrete or a rock-like object hurled at officers making arrest. The officer said he was incapacitated by the blow and suffered the loss of teeth as well as head, jaw, and brain injuries. His complaint also cites lost wages and other losses. In their ruling last Wednesday, the Fifth Circuit judges wrote that the officer should be able to proceed with his negligence claim, arguing that McKesson, a prominent Baltimore activist, didn't exercise reasonable caution when he led a crowd of protesters onto the highway and ignored the foreseeable risk of violence. Given the intentional lawlessness of this aspect of the demonstration, Mr. McKesson should have known that leading the demonstrators onto a busy highway was most nearly certain to provoke a confrontation between police and the mass of demonstrators, yet he ignored the foreseeable dangers to officers, bystanders, and demonstrators, and notwithstanding, did so anyway, the judges wrote in their decision. McKesson was one of almost 200 demonstrators arrested July 10, 2016, as hundreds took to the streets to protest Sterling's fatal shooting. The black father of five was gunned down by two white Baton Rouge cops during a struggle outside a convenience store on July 5th. Video of the incident sparked days of protest. McKesson responded to the ruling on Friday, saying he was disappointed and troubled by the court's reversal. "I'm currently exploring my legal options and will respond formally soon," he said in a statement. The Baltimore activist suffered another legal loss last month after a Manhattan judge dismissed his defamation suit against Fox News personality Jeanine Pirro, citing her loud, caustic, and hard-hitting opinions. McKesson, 33, sued Pirro in 2017 after she went on air and claimed he'd directed violence against an officer during the Baton Rouge protest. In their ruling, the Fifth Circuit judges made it clear they aren't saying McKesson is liable for the officer's injuries, but that the officer has a reasonable claim and his case should move forward. "We're simply required to decide whether Officer Doe's claim for relief is sufficiently plausible," Circuit Judge E. Grady Jolly wrote. An attorney for the unnamed officer called the decision a stand-up victory for the Baton Rouge PD. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to share this video and let us know what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Your Black World News YouTube channel and visit theblackbusinessschool.com today. I'm Christopher Platt reporting. Until next time, shalom.